Hi all, I am Dr. Salim Parvez, Head Radiology Fortis Hospital, Kolkata. Now this is a COVID pandemic. We all are going through this phase, very bad phase in our life. There are many things which have been provided by the social media, by the doctors, by the physician, which are going to help us to get some sort of prevention against this pandemic or this virus. Few of the things which we all are aware, very well aware, are the like your hand hygiene, protecting your airways, and the third thing is the social distancing. So these three things are there which everyone is aware, and we all are practicing this. Now, is there anything else what we had heard of or which is going to help us out during this pandemic with the festive seasons around? One thing which we are hearing for last 6 to 7 months is the immunity, to raise the immunity, to raise the bar of immunity. Now, what exactly is this process? See, we have, it's called innate immunity. We have few fighting cells in our body which get awakens whenever there is any foreign invasion or any foreign infection or invasion by a virus or bacteria in our body. So these cells, they get awakened and they help the body fight against this particular foreign invasion. So that is called the innate immunity. There are many methods by which we can increase the immunity, which have been put on papers, and the commonest thing are having healthy food, having good sleep. There's one more thing which increases the immunity is the rise in body temperature, increase in body temperature. So whenever there is rise in body temperature by few degrees centigrades or Fahrenheit, the body temperature increases. As a response to that increase in the temperature, your fighting cells or the immunity increases. So in this particular situation, in this particular COVID era, somehow we happen to increase the body temperature by 1 or 2 degrees centigrades. That is going to help us increase the fighting cells, awaken the fighting cells, which can go and fight the foreign body, and which can increase the immunity. So, like, what are the methods by which we can increase the body temperature by that few degrees? One thing is moving your body. Moving your body means to go for a small workout, small jogging, or a brisk walk, by which you can see there is increase in the body temperature and there are few drops of sweat coming out, throwing out, getting thrown through your body. So that is how you realize that your body temperature is getting increased. So regularly having a walk or a small jogging or brisk jogging or doing any other outdoor activity or outdoor sports activity is going to increase your body temperature by few degrees centigrades or Fahrenheit, and that is going to increase the immunity. So my recommendation will be to go ahead with this particular regime, morning and evening. Go ahead with a walk or some sports or some games, some outdoor things, but take precautions what already has been given to us. Have a word with your doctor, your physician, your trainer, and this particular thing is definitely going to help us out. The other way out, or the second thing, is to have something hot, to drink something hot, some hot drinks or hot food, which again is going to increase your body temperature and give some immunity. The kadha, what we are hearing, I don't know what exactly is inside the ingredients, but definitely that hot water is going to help us out. So these are my suggestions. Please follow that thing. Probably that is going to give some added advantages apart from those three prescribed things, and hope that keeps your body fit and help your body fight against this particular organism. Thank you very much.